What's up, YouTube? Casey here with Casey and Sons Cards. Got our first look at Heritage 2019. Got a blaster from Walmart and hanger from Walmart as well. I know that they put different things in the retail boxes between Walmart and Target. They've got the player story booklets, and then 7 packs, and there's an extra pack, and then Walmart has the Topps Claw stickers to be on the lookout for. From what I understand about those stickers is they're not numbered, but they are very rare. So finding one is probably not likely, but we're going to give it a shot anyway. So let's start with the blaster first. And then we'll move on to the hanger. I don't think there's a guaranteed auto in these blaster boxes. I think it's just you're able to get what you get. 1970 design. Here we go, Pettit. And the other thing I've read they've done is they have a lot of different variations this year as they did last year, and in those they will put it on the back of that it's a variation. So this is a photo. You can see this feels very the cardstock feels a whole lot different. It almost feels cloth on the front. And I know they were doing some backwards printing as well, where the front is not glossy, but the back was. So I don't know exactly what that is. Here's the old triple where they used to put the rookies on. Clevenger, Hernandez, and Lugo. I think this is where we started. So pack 1. And I will show you the hanger box. I don't know if there's odds posted on there or not. Where there are. I'll let you pause the video, get my thumb out of the way, but pause the video and you guys can take a look at the odds on that. And we got the next pack. Got Martin, Pivetta, Crawford, Rookie Stars, Santos and Suarez. And Giancarlo Stanton. The Sporting News, Contreras. Josh Bell, Stroman, and Junis. Just glance through the back real quick. I don't see. From what I understand, if it's a variation, they're going to note it on the back as well, that it is a variation. I'm not sure exactly how specific they're going to be. Moustakas, Guzman, strikeout leaders, Verlander, Sale, and Cole. Strasburg, Mookie Betts. This is definitely something different without that. So that's numbered to $9.99 there. Mookie Betts. It's I want to say it's a chrome. How's that feel on the front of a chrome? So I wonder if that's Topps Heritage Chrome, maybe. Or, I don't know, maybe that's just the number in the checklist. Anybody knows, you can put it in the remarks. I'd appreciate it. I'm still going to read up on them. I know I've got a lot of research to do. It's hard to stay up on just trying to get last year's figured out, and 2019 started coming out. And I can't wait for Allen and Ginter and Gypsy Queen. I really enjoyed them last year. I still have a couple more boxes of both to crack. So just really enjoyed them. Sucre, Desmond, Olsen, Then and Now, Snow and Perry. The back. Marquez, then Benintende's Benediction. Interesting. Batting leaders and Crick. And I do recall reading, I believe some things are going in retail that are not going into hobby. Lamb, Barnhart, Polanco, Gallo, Mikolas, Boxberger, Rookie Stars for the Blue Jays. There you have that. Bryanson and Hicks. Of course, I will double check everything after the video to make sure we don't have any short prints or any variations that I missed. Panic, Dozier, Rays rookies. ERA leaders, O'Day, Boat, Rays rookies. Huh, that's interesting. So we got another one. This one is Valaquez and Quifo. This one's Perez and Lowe. And then another Sporting News insert. Sager, Jimenez, Sabathia, Frazier. Then we have an Alex Bergman. Not sure what this is, subset thing, I guess. Hamels, Harrison, Liner, and Rodney. I'm still trying to decide if I like this design this year. Let me know what you guys think in the comments section. It's taking a little getting used to. Rojas, Anderson, Defoe, Pirates rookie stars, Padres, Homesmer, Montas, White Sox rookies, Newcomb, and Peralta. And I just crushed a couple corners. Nice. Okay. So in that box, we had the photo of Kershaw. It really does feel, I don't think this is one of the cloth stickers, but it's got that feel to it. And then we had the Mookie Betts Chrome, numbered to $9.99. And then I think this is just an insert for one of the subsets, Alex Bergman. So that's what we got out of the blaster box. And for the hanger box. And standard pricing, $19.99 on the blaster, $9.99 or $9.98 on the hanger box. I don't remember seeing any waxes there. Usually they're $4.99. Wong, Pham, Hill, Lorenzen, Moranta, Solar, Leak, Green, Hand, Cespedes, Hamilton. Pitching leaders: Camarogo, Vasquez. Angels rookie stars: Ward and Fletcher. Holt. And we have a then and now with DeGrom and Seaver. Then we have another one of these photo cards. It doesn't even feel like the same cardstock. It's pretty thin. I don't know if it's, I don't think it's a stickers, but maybe. It just feels really, really thin stock. It does feel like the cloth stickers of old that I remember. So we'll see. Cowart, Garcia, Minter, Para, Morin. Nationals rookie stars: Cordero and Voth. Cishek, Gray, Conley, Richard, Williams, Erlin, Perez, Manny Machado, the Sporting News. That's the back of that. Zimmerman and Strope. Okay, that's it. Let me know what you think about the 2019 Heritage. If you want to see me crack the hobby on video, let me know in the comments, and when I get it, I'll certainly do the video if that's something you guys want to see. Like us, subscribe. We appreciate everybody that subscribes to us. CaseyandSonsCards@gmail.com is the email. If you see anything interesting here, let me know. Drop me a line. And thanks for watching. Happy collecting, everybody. Take care.